So here we are with Renovation 1.0. So this used to be, I think it was a backpackers back in the day. This would have been the communal area. Pretty sure this used to be a bar. So you got a barbecue area over there, which will come in handy. And then you got the seating area. Bit of a kitchen area. Coming into my storage room slash maintenance room slash hoard of everything else. So a lot of the stuff in the office space and in the storage room is reclaimed. Like mainly the storage stuff. So in here, like when we first moved in, there's a lot of old fridges. So the fridges would turn them into tool storage. Everything's got its place. I'll open up this one here. Everything is pretty much labelled. Then come down to first aid kit, usually sits in the four-wheel drive. Got a drawer system, depending. This is one of the first lots of storage ideas that we did. This one is on a click drawer. And look, it does the job. For what we needed it for, it was great. And we've got one of our Instagram followers on there. And we come down to a bit more storage. So obviously got the camp oven and the portable stove. Bit of cooking stuff. Inside that bag is all our cooking stuff, like utensils and a bit of this. We've got our Kmart jet boil. Got the secondary battery here. This is mainly the sort of stuff that I use for maintenance on a day-to-day basis. And coming over to the car stuff, bit of servicing and chainsaw, or some of our camping stuff that we store in here that we use on a regular basis. Everything will have its place eventually. It's just to start off renovation. Then we come into the office space. Big open sort of window area along here, which used to be the bar. Kids area, again, reclaimed. Everything in this office space has been reclaimed. Big map on the wall. Kids TV. Kids having a bit of fun on the wall. Coming into the editing space. Our table is, well, a desk. It's meant to be a desk. It's just thrown together. It's to do for now until we get something permanently. I want to go timber bench top on there, bench top material, and then some cabinetry up the top. You can see how big the network is just in this complex. Like, we only service 13 rooms here. So as many people don't know, I manage after hours a budget accommodation business. That allows me to have spaces like this. There's more of a common area, but no one ever uses it. And the office itself was just a room that was never used. There's a little garden outside the office leading into the car park. When I do work on the car, usually I just drive it in through here and parking it in here, mind the trees that we've just chopped down. Going off into the workshop slash maintenance room. Yeah. Living in Alice Springs, these signs don't really mean a whole lot of bugger all. Let's get this open. There's a work in progress, like a lot of things around this place. So we're coming into sort of the workshop area, maintenance room. It's a bit cluttered, you can tell I don't really use it a lot, but I've got an air compressor right where I've been working on the car, and you know, storage for lots of different bits and pieces. Then we come back into the office space. Got to have the bar fridge. You're coming into electronic roller shutters, just on switches. So I've had to change a few little things around here since the break-in. Like, one day, I'd love to get lights out here. It'd be great, like nice little area just to sit and relax, and that leads out down in through there to the workshop that I was talking about. And you know, it's all high security locks, no expense spared where it counted. I mean, it might not seem like a lot, but given the fact that we haven't spent a whole lot of money on this area. It's mainly been stuff that we've salvaged from renovations around the place, like, you know, a lot of reclaimed stuff. And it's great. Like, it does the job for what we need for now. Like, we don't need a lot in this space. I mean, at the moment it's good. Like, we get the kids down here, gives mum a break, and I can do my editing or, you know, continue on renovating on a daily basis. Like, I've got plans for outside of here. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for another episode, and if you guys do like this content, let us know. We'll keep you updated with how the renovations are going. Thanks. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.